What's up, everybody? Shh. What's up, everybody? I am back in another video with.
Hi.
This is where you say your YouTube channel name.
I really don't want to. Me being 57 is trash, but okay.
Oh well, actually, you can't even see it. It's on like private, I think.
Yeah. It sucks. If you're watching this video, you're most likely to be red.
Yeah.
You know what?
As you guys can tell, we're just playing Shark Bite. Well, normal video.
Why can't I hear anything? I don't want it to look. Hey, Nick, look at the ceiling in the lobby area.
Okay, hold up, let me drop down.
Ceiling.
I'm dropping down.
Do it by the glass. Bridge. Yeah, go by the glass area.
Oh. Oh shoot, no, I dropped at the wrong part. Alright guys, we gotta survive the shark. Three people wanted me to join their boat.
Me too. Yeah.
First, do a better boat. Not the fishing boat. No!
Oopsie, I did it.
Trash.
No, it's getting.
No! Where are we on this boat?
No. My gosh, it's terrible.
Why are we on this boat?
I don't know. It's gonna go crash into the cars. We're like. Go faster, stupid boat. Your boat's at behind. Oh no.
I see the shark. Noob.
Get you. Oh god, this looks pretty tight. I'll slip.
Why is the shark not losing health? Oh,
Oh, what the heck? Oh. Okay. Oh, my dad's leaving on that floor, but okay. Now I wanna go back to the island.
oh yeah.
Wow!
Why does it gotta do us like that?
An island, literally breaking everything.
If we were in a real life situation, if we were in a real life situation and it just goes, the island is banned, you must survive.
I can swim. Look at that. Take a sip, we have the trash boats. Hey, I'm back!
Get us! Oh no, I just,
Hurry!
I didn't mean it! Move! Oh shoot! Bro, I just shot the shark like crazy. Where's the shark? Wait, no, get me on this boat. Where's the shark? I hear the dun dun. Let me on this thing. I'm trying to get on this boat. Bridget. What just happened? Oh jeez. What happened to you?
I don't know. The shark ate my hair and my arm.
Oh wait. Yes, pick us up. Please. Oh, the shark! I hear the shark! This game is scary sometimes. I made a mistake. No! Bridget, I'm gonna kill the shark.
You're running me over. You're out.
If this shark keeps coming at me, I'm gonna have to kill it.
I would shoot this boat, but I can't. Let me on. Where's your hanging ladder?
Wait a second. Oh shoot, the shark's
Those
there.
are tremendous.
Dude, the shark's health is so low. Okay. Bridget, I might kill it.
Literally,
Bridget, the shark's gonna die.
no, not yet. I'm getting on the yacht.
Oh, good luck with that.
The actual thing I can't.
I killed it! I killed it! I killed it.
Get him on the yacht now. Oh god.
I killed the shark.
Nice. I totally. Oh, I got my. Yeah, I don't look trash.
I can't wait to see your point of view on that.
I literally got eaten by a baby. Stop.
It's early, guys. If you guys want to see a part 2 on this, like... Oh no, they have Roblox in the name.
Robot.
Bridget,
Where's my freaking cursor?
where's my freaking cursor? It's not letting me, move my cursor.
Click, escape. And then unclick escape. Now you can do it.
No, it still won't!
Well,
Just pick me up.
click escape. You
No.
have your map.
No, it won't let me.
Escape.
No, I can, but when I press escape, it still won't.
And like move your camera.
No, it won't work.
Move your mouse around. Click escape.
No, it won't work.
Freaking stupid shark.
Escape doesn't do that.
Sorry, you stupid! You literally messed me up.
Me?
Now I'm going to die.
Me?
No, this idiot just ran into me, and I was trying to get away from the shark, so he screwed me up.
Oh.
Now I'm going to literally die. Idiot.
I'll come pick you up, Bridget.
Save me. Save me.
Bridget, I'm saving you.
No, I don't want to get on this boat.
Bridget, where are you? I'll save you.
I'm in a boat right now.
Oh, just stop! This guy just ran me over.
These people are mean. Screw you up.
Bridget, where are you? Hold on. There's a submarine. Oh.
Screwed me up.
No, don't. Oh, shoot.
Dude.
I'm getting in the submarine.
Dude. What is the submarine?
It's like a yellow little mini one.
Oh, I see it.
How do you get into it though? Okay.
I should have done it, but submarine.
Okay.
For me.
Bridget, where are you? Be faster.
I'm literally like, look. You see me?
No. Oh yeah, I see you. Oh shoot, Bridget!
I mean,
No!
yay! Let's go!
Stupid! Stop!
Stop!
Rabbit. Oh crap!
Oh God, yay! Go!
I'm doing my best! Move! I don't know what just happened.
You ran into the wall, and we look like idiots.
Alright guys, that'll have to end it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.